You think vending machines are new? They are not. The first one was built 2,000 years ago. Drop in a coin, water comes out. Same trick as the machine in your office. Same trick. 2,000 years. This was Egypt, roughly first century, a temple in Alexandria. Pilgrims showed up, dropped a small coin in a slot, and a fixed pour of holy water came out. No priest, no clerk, just the machine. Think about that. The coin slot you used last week to buy a Coke is older than the Roman Empire being dead, older than the Gospels, older than the internet by 2,000 years. The whole logic, pay, dispense, was solved before the modern alphabet was. In this video, 3 things. First, how it actually worked, because the answer is one beautiful lever. Second, why holy water? That is a business decision and a smart one. Third, do any of these machines survive? You are going to like the answer. Let us start with the inventor. His name was Hero, Greek engineer in Alexandria. The kind of person who looked at a clock and thought, I can do better. And he did. The vending machine is not even his most famous invention. That makes it worse. Inside the machine, one moving part, one lever, that is it. Here's what happens. You drop a coin in the slot at the top. The coin lands on one end of a small balance beam, a lever. On the other end of that lever, a tiny valve, a plug. The plug normally sits in a hole at the bottom of a water tank, sealed, no water flowing. Then the coin lands, weight on one side, valve on the other. The lever tips, the valve lifts, water pours, and here's the elegant bit. As the lever tilts, the coin slides down along the beam. Eventually it slides off, clatters into a collection box below. The lever rebalances, the valve drops back into the hole, pour stops, one coin, one pour. No human in the loop. Hero designed this around the year 62. No springs, no clockwork, no batteries, just gravity, geometry, and a coin that knows it is heavy. 2,000 years before plumbing, 2,000 years before vending. The same principle is still in your bathroom, the toilet float valve. Same idea, lever and valve. Hero invented the concept, but there is one question we have not asked yet. Why holy water? Why holy water? Why not bread or oil or wine? Because holy water is the perfect product. Think about it from the temple side. The temple needs to give out holy water. Pilgrims expect it, but priests do not want to stand there all day with a ladle. They have other things to do, and there is a second problem. Holy water is sacred. You cannot just leave a barrel out. People will grab too much. You need a fixed pour, same amount every time, no haggling. A coin-operated machine solves both. 1, it dispenses without a priest. 2, it dispenses a fixed amount. 3, it collects payment. No theft, no skimming. And here is the genius part. The water itself is almost free. The temple has wells. What you are really paying for is the blessing, the story, the sacredness, pure margin. This is the same logic as airport water today. The water costs nothing. The label sells it. Hero built the prototype for premium beverage retail. 2,000 years before Coca-Cola, a Greek engineer figured out the unit economics of selling stories in liquid form. Now, the question everyone asks, did any of these machines survive? Did the actual machines survive? No. Bronze gets melted, pottery breaks. 2,000 years is a long time. No archaeologist has ever pulled a Hero vending machine out of the sand. But something better survived, a book. Hero wrote it down. His book is called Pneumatica, Pneumatic Devices. Chapter 21, a sacrificial vessel which flows only when money is introduced. His own words. The book itself disappeared into Byzantine libraries for 1,000 years. Then in the Renaissance, translated, printed, read by European engineers. Suddenly people are saying, wait, this Greek already built one. Hero did not just invent the vending machine. In the same book, he describes the first steam-powered device, the first automatic doors, coin-operated toys, wind-powered organs. He was 1,600 years too early. The world was not ready for any of it. No factories, no coal, no demand. So the ideas sat on parchment, waiting. Today, every time you pay for a bottle of water, every time a door slides open as you approach, every time you put a coin in a slot, you are using Hero's blueprint. He just had to wait 2,000 years to see it work.